Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to knit a beautiful sleeve stitch color work pattern using just two colors. It looks impressive but it's actually really easy. There is no need to carry both yarns at once. So this technique creates a neat texture look that is perfect for pillowcases, perfect for blankets, perfect for hats. So if you want to learn how to do it, let's do it together. For this stitch you will need to cast on the number that is multiple of 6 plus 2 selvage stitches and plus 1 extra stitch. For example, cast on 15 stitches. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15 stitches. Slip the first stitch and knit all stitches. So this is the first color. And purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Now take the next color. In my case it is a beige. When you change the color, instead of slipping the first stitch, we are going to knit it. Pull this color. Now knit one, slip next stitch, knit one, slip, knit one, slip. So we are going to repeat 3 times. Knit one, slip, knit one, slip, knit one, slip. At the end we have one extra stitch, so we knit it. And purl the last selvage stitch. Turn, slip the first stitch. Now we are going to knit all stitches that has the same color as the main yarn and slip all stitches that are different in different colors. So knit one, slip with holding working yarn in front when you slip. Knit one, slip, knit one, slip, knit one, slip, knit one, and at the end bring the working yarn in front, and we are going to finish the last stitch using the previous color. So here is the beige color in front. Now take the blue color and purl the last stitch. Using this technique will make the side stitches look really nice and neat. Let me show you. So that's how it will look. Polished finish and nice and tidy border. here and here. Now take the blue color, slip the first stitch, knit 2, then slip the next stitch and knit 3. Repeat this part as many times as needed. Knit 2, slip the next stitch, and knit 3. Go on repeating, and then knit one last extra stitch and the selvage stitch, purl 1. Turn on the wrong side. So again, slip the first stitch. We are going to knit all stitches that are the same color as the main yarn. Knit 1 extra, then knit 3, slip, holding working yarn in front, and knit 2. Again, repeat, knit 3, slip next stitch, holding working yarn in front, knit 2. Again, the last stitch here, we are going to purl with the previous color. So bring the blue color in front and purl the last stitch using beige color already. Next, slip the first stitch, knit 1, then slip the next stitch and knit 4. So let's repeat last 6 stitches. Knit 1, slip the next stitch, knit 4. At the end, 1 extra stitch we knitted and purl the last selvage. Turn on the wrong side, slip the first stitch, knit 1 extra. Now knit 4, slip next stitch, holding working yarn in front, and knit 1, and repeat again, knit 4, slip the next stitch, holding working yarn in front, knit 1, and to finish, change the color and purl it with blue. Turn. Slip the first stitch, knit 2, then slip the next stitch, knit 1, slip the next stitch, knit 1, and repeat last 6 stitches. Knit 2, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1. The last extra stitch, knit and purl. Turn. Slip the first stitch, knit. Now knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, holding working yarn in front, and then knit 2, and repeat, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 2, and finish the last stitch knitting using the previous color. Turn. Now beige color, slip the first stitch, knit 5, and then slip the next stitch and repeat. Knit 5, slip, knit last extra stitch and selvage stitch, purl, turn, slip the first stitch, knit 1, slip, knit 5, slip, knit 5, and the last stitch, purl using the previous color. Okay, turn, and last 2 rows, slip the first stitch, knit 4, slip the next stitch, knit 1, and let's repeat. Knit 4, slip the next stitch, knit 1, knit extra stitch, and purl the last selvage. Turn, slip, now knit 2, slip, knit 4, slip next stitch, holding working yarn in front, knit 4, and finish the last stitch and purl it with previous color. That's it. Now we are going to repeat the pattern from row number 2. We do not repeat the first row where we knitted all stitches, so we repeat last 12 rows. So it will be slip the first stitch, then knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip till the end, and then go on repeating all other rows. Thank you so much for knitting along with me. I hope you enjoyed learning this simple and beautiful slip stitch color work technique. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, leave it a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more knitting videos. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye!